Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Arabic skills with Busuu detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your Arabic skills using Busuu, start by logging into your Busuu account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by signing up on the Busuu website. Once logged in, navigate to the courses section on your dashboard. Locate Arabic in the list of available languages and click on it. This will take you to the Arabic course overview. From here, select the option to start a placement test. The placement test is designed to assess your current Arabic proficiency. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the test. Make sure to complete all sections of the test for an accurate assessment. After finishing the placement test, you'll receive immediate feedback on your proficiency level. Based on your results, Busuu will recommend a personalized study plan. Review the suggested courses and lessons aligned with your skill level. To track your progress, utilize the progress dashboard. Regularly complete the exercises and activities within your study plan. Take advantage of the speaking and writing practice features. Engage with native speakers through the community feature for real-world practice. Periodically retake the placement test to assess improvement in your skills. This will help you stay motivated and aware of your progress. Make notes on areas where you feel improvement is needed. Incorporate additional resources or practice methods as necessary. Stay consistent and committed to your learning journey with Busuu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.